Hello everyone, happy Wednesday. I know it is very rare for me to be starting a video on a random Wednesday, but I have a lot of things to do in this next couple of days, so I wanted to show you guys what a week in my life looks like as a content creator, and more specifically as a Pink campus rep, because we have some events going on this week and I also have to take some pictures for some of the brands that I'm working with. So I thought it was a good idea to show you guys what my week looks like. So my co-rep and I are actually hosting an event on Friday. It is the Back To event. It is part of Pink's Back To campaign. So it's pretty much to encourage people to, you know, go back to their friends, go back to being themselves, back to being you. That's what they called it, Back To You, now that things are kind of going back to normal in a way. So we're super excited to host that. We're going to be hosting it at my co-rep's apartment complex, and yeah, we need to get some stuff for that tomorrow. So tomorrow night, Thursday, we're gonna go get a bunch of floaties and snacks and stuff that we're gonna put in the pool and just around the pool area. So we're super excited for that. I also have to shoot content for a Cotton On campaign that I'm doing. So most of this stuff is actually from Cotton On. So this purse, that one right there, all of this up to here, they're all from Cotton On, and I went for an all brown look just because I love brown, love beige cream. It just looks so good, and fall is just around the corner, so super excited for that. I am literally so obsessed with all the pieces that I have here. This mesh button down is so pretty, and I love this brown bag. I'm also not the biggest fan of thermal print, but this zebra bag was just calling my name, so I'm super excited to style these. And I know this vlog is already all over the place, but we are gonna host another event on Friday besides our back to school event. It is a surprise event and it is called a panty frenzy. So Pink sent a ton of panties for us to give out on campus. So I'm gonna show you guys what they look like, because they sent us this super cute ice cream coupons and boxes that look so adorable. So I'm gonna show you guys what they look like, because I put all of those together yesterday. It was very time consuming, but it was also so much fun. So yeah, let's go see that. Okay, so all these over here are the panties that Pink sent, and then we also have a giveaway prize for one of our giveaway winners on our Instagram. So the panties come in this cute little ice cream box that says Pink, and there's also a coupon for a buy one get one free dessert. So these are the buy one get one free dessert from the brand Enlightened. We also got a bunch of the dough bites, but my co-rep has those right now. We also have these super adorable pink coupons, and these are for a free panty when you make a purchase. They are super cute and they match the boxes. I'm so excited to keep these out. We're gonna be on campus at a random spot and like not tell people our location until we're there. They are super pretty, so really excited for that. Show you guys these adorable quarter zip that I got from Pink. It has a little P on the sleeve. Oh, it won't focus. Great, there we go. And then it also says Pink Campus Reps and then the logo, and I am so excited about this. It is so soft. We also got a Pink Campus Rep shirt, but my co-rep has those at the moment because we're gonna wear them on Friday, and she gets like all the big packages because she's closer to campus. Yesterday, you can't really see it, I did a good job removing it. I was putting together the the penny frenzy boxes, and it actually stained it with Sharpie. I'm gonna see if I can show you guys the stain. So I had to buy like a stain remover, and I was so pissed that I got it stained, but the stain came out. So if you ever get a Sharpie stain, go buy Amodex. It's not that visible anymore, especially if you're like looking at it from afar, and it's also like on the part of the sleeve that kind of wrinkles because it's baggy, so you can't really see it, but it's right there. Happy Thursday. I am actually heading to campus now to meet with my campus rep so we can go buy stuff for our event tomorrow. We are hoping it doesn't rain because the weather here in Florida has been crazy. So yeah, I am wearing my campus rep water zip again just because it's a sweater. I was wearing this for like 2 hours yesterday, so I'm gonna keep wearing it. And I'm also wearing some pink biker shorts, and I'm gonna show you in a second. So I'm wearing these tie-dye bike shorts. They are blue, and I love these because they are the ones that have pockets, and I just love everything with pockets, especially bike shorts. That way I don't have to carry around a purse or anything, so love these. I am stuck in traffic as always because getting out of the area where I live is always a mess. I live super close to the interstate, so it always gets really crowded. So there's a line that goes pretty far behind, and I'm still 24 minutes away from the university, so that's fun. Like, look at that. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a long line of cars over there, and the light is right there. So yeah, it's taking a while. Oh well, it's moving, never mind. Yay. Good morning, guys. Today is the day of the event, so I'm just gonna get ready. I'm gonna take a shower and, you know, get dressed, get some stuff that I need to take to my co-rep's place, and I'll be out the door. I need to take my ring light, a couple of other things, so I'm gonna go get ready now. So this is what my outfit looks like at the moment. I am wearing these Levi's 501s, I think, and then a pink blue tie-dye shirt because we're gonna change into our campus rep shirts at the event.
I don't need to think about it. There's nothing in this world that we can't do. Flowers even mad about it, 'cause they can't bloom like you don't. I don't see a way around it, 'cause everything has led me straight to you. It's nothing new. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside. You pick the station, sunrise, no destination, no lie. I've been so patient, like winter waiting for June. I'm done and waiting for you, waiting for you. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night.